What's up, RecTeq owners? Today, we're turning up the heat with the Pimp My Grill 2-rack system for the RecTeq Patio Legend 410. This compact powerhouse just got a massive upgrade, taking your grilling game to new heights. Literally. Stick around to see how this rack system can unlock the full potential of your 410 and give you even more room to work your barbecue magic. Let's start with the stats that matter. This slide-out rack system increases your total cooking area to a whopping 634.5 square inches. That means more space for ribs, brisket, burgers, veggies, or whatever else you're throwing on the grill. For a compact grill like the Patio Legend 410, this upgrade is an absolute game changer. Like all of our rack systems, this one is designed with durability and functionality in mind. It features overbuilt construction to handle heavy-duty cooking sessions. The classic diamond pattern not only adds a sleek look, but also creates perfect sear marks on your food. Made from premium carbon steel, it seasons over time just like cast iron, giving it unbeatable non-stick performance and protection. Installation is as easy as it gets. No cutting, no drilling, no hassle. In just minutes, you'll have a fully installed rack system ready to go. The slide-out design makes it super convenient to load, check, and remove your food without missing a beat. And don't forget, cooking on the top rack isn't just about extra space. It also gives you better convection and smoke circulation. That means juicier, more flavorful results every time. Let's not forget, this rack system is proudly made right here in the USA, ensuring top-notch quality and craftsmanship you can count on. Need to cook taller items or just want a quick cleanup? No problem. The racks can be removed in seconds, giving you the flexibility to tackle any barbecue challenge. If you own a RecTeq Patio Legend 410, then this is the ultimate accessory to take your grill game to the next level. More space, better performance, and unbeatable convenience. It's everything you didn't know your grill needed. Hit the link in the description below to grab yours today. And don't forget to subscribe for more barbecue upgrades. Let us know in the comments how you'd put to use all this extra grilling space. And as always, thanks for watching and happy grilling.